Happy Friday, Innovation. This is Mr. Roussel. Today is Friday, August 28th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Our quote of the day comes from Oprah Winfrey. Be thankful for what you have. You'll end up having more. If you only concentrate on what you don't have, you'll never ever have enough. Let's see what's on the menu today. For Friday's breakfast, we have mini pancakes, and for lunch, we have a grilled cheese sandwich with a marinara cup. Our core value for the week is give 100% every day. Today you can do that by asking questions. If you don't understand, don't be afraid. Teachers are here to help you. Make sure you're rising to the occasion again, scholars, and please have a happy Friday.